To get to your teacher dashboard, just go to your home page on Buzz and just come up to the dashboard tab up here. Click it. Now you're in the dashboard, and it'll give you your performance summary charts over here. Show you graphs of each day, how much you've graded and what you need to grade. If you click over here on teacher responsiveness, it will show you what you still need to do, what you still need to grade. Looks like I still got some stuff to grade over here, being a little lazy. You can also click on student performance and student pace. I'm not going to click on them right now because for privacy reasons for each of our students, but you can click on them yourself. Down here you have your also course summaries and student summaries as well. Again, I'm not going to click on them just for privacy reasons. And then for your active courses down here. So that's the teacher dashboard.